So good day, troops. As you can all see here, we're right beside Mactan Newtown Mega World Center. You can see lots of buildings here, very beautiful buildings and nature that can be found right beside the Mega World Center. Now on this part of segment, you can see our trees here, very beautiful. Now you can see the two of us just riding and chilling with the motorcycle. As we're currently heading towards the Angasil port. It's a port connected that intertwines Mactan to Olango Island. So we're on our way there so that you guys or all of you can see what it's like here in our place. So from whatever place you may be, maybe in the US, Indonesia, or all over the world, you can come and visit Mactan Newtown or Mactan Island. You have very plenty of amenities here, lots of beaches, and very kind-hearted people indeed. As we're heading near the port, we have a very amazing treat for you troops. Not only that, we found our friends. A big shout out to them. Now we finally arrived to the Angasil port. Now it's a very surprise here that we see our fellow vlogger, Gerson, and the troops. These are the Hinangao vlogs. So as we can see, a big shout out to them, Joseph, Anes, and our buddies there. Bye!
So sa wakas mga katrops, nakarating na gid kami dito sa Angasil Port. Ug dito mga katrops, makikita natin ang mga magagandang tanawin, yung mga tao at saka yung jet ski mga katrops na makikita natin dito. Tingnan niyo yung mga boti, yung jet ski mga katrops na papunta ng Olango.
We're now heading back to the Mega World Center. Now you can see the ruins from Bagyong that devastated this place.
O mga katrops, dito makikita natin ang mga garden sa Tagiliran. Napaka linis yung daanan dito mga katrops, pero sayang lang yun kaya hindi kami makapasok sa dulo.
That is because it is already a dead end, right Dad? So what's gonna happen right now is we're just gonna show you the nice places here, a nice view for you troops to enjoy. So that you all know, this is inside the Mactan Newtown Mega World Center. Before that was just outside, so we're just showing you what is inside of the place. Look at my face. Now we're on our way to our park.
So dito mga katrops, makikita natin ang park. Sobrang malawak ang park dito mga katrops.
Hey boss, shout out to our vlog, man. Big shout out to the America. America, what's up America?
So mga katrops, dito na kami papasok na kami sa sentro sa Mega World. So makikita natin dito mga katrops ang mga mahabang building. Ang ganda sa Mega World Hotel mga katrops. 20 stories yung ang haba niya. Ang ganda mga katrops. Okay, papunta pa kita sa dulo hanggang palabas na ito mga katrops.
Yeah, so this is what is inside in Mactan Newtown Mega World Center. You can see lots of BPO offices. You can see lots of buildings, condominiums. You can even see the QQ English company here, as well as Belmont right there. We just passed by. So troops, we are currently in Mactan Newtown with my dad. Right, Dad?
Okay.
Alright, so troops, we're gonna head back home in a while. We're just gonna finish the view here because it's an amazing view. So on to the next video.
So mga katrops, itong nakikita ninyong bakante na lote, dito makikita ninyo ang mag-using mga trabahante sa call center.
So troops, this is the exit part of the Mactan Newtown. So if you want to head back to your condominium in Engaño, this is gonna be the place to go. Alright? So if you could just see the Philippine flag right there, troops. This is the Mactan Shrine, the shrine that we vlogged before. Now, troops, it's time for us to head back home so that we can drink coffee and relax for a bit. And afterwards, we're gonna ride our multicab so that we can find funds for our next vlog.
Sige mga katrops, dito lang kami. Uuwi na kami sa bahay. Tapos na namin yung pag-video namin sa mga magagandang tanawin dito sa Mega World. Hanggang dito lang po ang video namin. God bless us all.